Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I have come up with affordable eyeliners for you all. So these are the top 4 eyeliners which I picked up for you all and which I really like. So these are the eyeliners below 100 rupees. So let's get started with the video. So first eyeliner which I'm going to talk about is this Itex Dazzler eyeliner. So this is for 45 rupees. So this is how it looks. It says Itex Dazzler and at the back you have a few details mentioned. This eyeliner contains 6.5 ml for 45 rupees and it is manufactured in Chennai. So this eyeliner is too good because I have been using this eyeliner for like more than 3 years now. So I really like the applicator of this eyeliner because it's so thin and so elongated, like it is very easy to apply. Like as you can see, it is very easy to apply and it will be helpful for all the beginners out there who just want to try eyeliners, and you can use this eyeliner because it helps you in like having grip whenever you're applying eyeliner. So I really like this eyeliner because it has great quality as well. It dries super quickly and it is long lasting as well. So yes, this is the first eyeliner which I recommend. Next is this L18 water resistant blackout eyeliner. So this is for 90 rupees. So this is how it looks, and the applicator is small and it is kind of thick applicator, like you can see here. It's kind of small in length and it is slightly thick than the Dazzler eyeliner, but it is also a great eyeliner and you can have grip while you apply eyeliner. So even this is like a blackest black liner and it is a really good quality, and they have mentioned the shelf life of this eyeliner here at the top. It says 24 months and this is for 5 ml for 85 rupees. So this eyeliner is also very good for all the beginners and all the professionals. Anybody can use this because it's very easy to apply and very much convenient for everyone who's in rush to go to office or college in the morning, and you can definitely try this eyeliner. It's good. So this is the second recommendation from my side. So next eyeliner is this legendary eyeliner. It's Lakme Insta eyeliner water resistant liner. So I know there are like whole India would be using this eyeliner, but still there are few who might like not known about this liner, or there are people who get scared to use liquid liners. So this eyeliner is for everyone who just want to try liquid liners. You can start with this or you can start with Dazzler eyeliner. Even the applicator of this eyeliner is too thin and long, so it is very much easy to apply eyeliner and you can easily do your wing with this liner. Also beginners friendly, so I really recommend this eyeliner for everyone who just want to start using liquid liners, and you can start with this. It will make a huge difference. It will help you guys to achieve your wing liner or your basic thin liner. So yes, this is the third liner, and next and the last eyeliner which I would love to recommend is this NYBAE eyeliner. This is for 6 ml and this retails for 75 rupees. So this is how it looks, and it has a thin applicator as well, which is very much easy to apply. 4 eyeliners which I recommend for everyone who are like beginners and who just want to start lining their eyes with liquid liners. So these are the 4 eyeliners which are very good quality and which are long lasting as well. and it is affordable as well. So yes, that's all for the video. I hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to my channel, this is Pavithra Iyer. Please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon beside that so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. So yes, with that being said, I'll wrap this video. Thank you all so much for watching.